When you think about Asian cars, what are the first brands that come to mind? Probably the more popular Japanese ones, right? Like Nissan, Toyota, Honda. But today we're here to show you that South Korean manufacturers also can manufacture amazing cars, and we're not just talking about the Kia. Today we have with us the Hyundai Elantra. A model to compete with the popular Mazda 3 and Honda Civic with its excellent ability to dampen road noise and external sounds, solid ride quality, and smashing good looks. Can the South Korean automakers win the hearts of drivers? Let's find out. But before we move on to the rest of the video, show your support by liking and sharing this video and subscribe to our channel here. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to turn on your notifications so that you'll never have to miss another episode of Cars at Karo with me. At first glance, the Elantra may seem like just another normal sedan. But on closer inspection, you'll find many great design features that are unique and hard to come by at this price point. Just look at these headlights. Do you see how long they are? The lights start off here at the front and end really high and far up the bonnet. And as it tapers towards the end, it actually looks a little bit like a cat's eyes, which in my opinion looks super great. Another signature Hyundai styling found on the Elantra is the use of swooping lines. You can find them here on the bonnet, on the sides, and even in the interior. Everyone knows the recipe to a sleek and sexy looking car, low profile rims and thin tires. But here, we have the opposite. Why? Well, that's because these thick tires serve a purpose that you'll be thankful for on long trips. They insulate sound so much better, so you get a much quieter cabin. I choose practicality and comfort over good looks any day. The rear lights of the car follow the same design characteristics as the headlights. They're really long and taper at the end, which gives the car a pretty unique look, especially when turned on at night. When you look at the rear, you'll be instantly hit by how massive it looks for its size. It actually kind of reminds me of a hatchback because of how high the boot is, which looks great, but that's not all. This also means more space for storage. The boot is enormous and can store everything you and your family need, from groceries to even picnic gear. If you thought the exterior was impressive, wait till you check out the interior. These seats are all made of leather, and they're cut out to fit the passenger nicely, like a mini bucket seat. However, the middle seat doesn't get the same treatment and is slightly harder, so boo-hoo to whoever gets stuck here. Also, the back windows are smaller because of the sloping roofline that this car has. It isn't as bad when compared to other cars, but your passengers will definitely notice this. Moving on to the front, let's start with the steering wheel. There are media controls on the steering wheel that allow you to pick up calls, adjust the volume, and even a quick mute button here. On the other side, there are buttons that help you turn on cruise control. The dashboard is classy and practical. The 4.2-inch infotainment display offers the basics plus a little more. It allows you to pair your phone via Bluetooth, so you can make use of the 8-speaker system to play your tunes from your phone and also sync your contacts for easy access and convenience. The Elantra is powered by a 1.6-liter, 4-cylinder DOHC dual CVVT engine that produces 126 horsepower as well as 155 Newton-meters of torque. The engine is capable of pushing the Elantra to a top speed of 196 kilometers per hour, which is more than enough for the roads here in Singapore. These figures are really about the same across all competitors such as the Mazda 3 or the Honda Civic. While the driving experience in a Civic may be sportier and the tech in some Mazda 3s may be more modern, the Elantra excels in comfort. The seats are more comfortable, the cabin is quieter, and the ride is smoother. Driving the Elantra may not exhilarate you, but it will get you from point A to point B comfortably. Navigating through tight spots feels like a breeze because steering is very accurate and it sits nicely in between light and medium. There's also enough power to overtake, but it isn't as quick as some would like it to be. However, the Elantra could do better in its fuel economy. It's rated 10 to 11 kilometers per liter, which isn't exactly bad, but for a car that doesn't offer a sporty drive, it could be better. If you're looking for a comfortable car without burning a hole in your pocket, then the Elantra is the car for you. Its quiet cabin, comfortable seats for all passengers, and ample space makes it a great choice for drivers who just got married and are thinking of starting a family. If you're in the market for a Hyundai Elantra, then Caro is the place to be. Buy your next car with peace of mind and guaranteed satisfaction, as all our cars have passed a rigorous 150-point inspection check. Get 30-day full access to our workshop for wear and tear issues related to any of your car's safety components, and even enjoy full assurance with our special return policy, where you can return the car within 3 days and pick another at no extra cost if you decide the car's not right for you. Come down for a test drive today. We can't wait to see you.
Caro!